If you're living in a household requiring lawn maintenance, the Sun Joe AJ801E may be a better option for you. A beautiful and healthy lawn shall be traceable from a number of factors such as dethatching, aerating, overseeding, fertilizing, and others.Dethatching, entails removing unwanted materials to allow nutrients, water, and other stimulants to reach the soil. Transforming your lawn to a top-notch quality can only be done by using proper tools for that job. With the reasonable prices of dethatchers nowadays, we recommend owning your personal electric dethatcher. Sun Joe Dethatcher Scarifier is a machine that is ideal for a small and mid-sized lawn. The machine guarantees to be productive and efficient. It cuts a 13-inch swath in one path. It does a great job of eliminating piles of thatch, dead materials, and other debris to encourage the growth of the lawn. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review presents Sun Joe AJ801E Electric Dethatcher. Let's get started. Efficient and easy to use. The machine was packed very neatly and came out easily. Assembling it turned to be easy as well. It only took me a few minutes to put it together. After that, I just tightened the 2 screws, 4 knobs, and bolts. It is also effortless to set up. It has 5 settings, and it comes with a special hatching wheel with multiple height adjustments. I just pulled the ledge to the setting that I prefer. I can raise and lower the tines -0.4 inches below the soil to +0.4 inches above the soil. Starting and maneuvering it is also fairly simple. Once I sort out the cable and extension cord, I was good to go. The machine is also self-propelled. It did all the work, and I just have to walk with it. It reduces physical fatigue, especially when using it in hill-like and sloped lawns. It also comes with a safety button for user protection, and an instant start feature that turns on the machine with a simple press of the button. This is undeniably the best lawn tool I have purchased. It offers accurate performance, and it brought life back to my yard. Light and powerful. I was awed and surprised at how a small machine did all the work. At first, I thought that the product wouldn't last long because it is light and appears flimsy. However, it was never the case after using it. The machine did a great job in removing the buildup. After 1 or 2 passes, a lot of debris was accumulated. The machine is also a bit more powered compared to others. This Dethatcher Scarifier is 12 amp powered, so it felt like it was pulling me while using it. It is lightweight because it is made of plastic. But the plastic that was used for its manufacture was a heavy-grade plastic. Further, it has foldable handles that provide compact storage, which adds to why owning one is necessary. Having my own personal dethatcher is very convenient. I can take several days to work on my lawn instead of scheduling a rental and try to finish it in one shot. Drawbacks. The machine comes with a collection bag. However, the collection bag is too small. It can only collect minimal thatch and debris. After 1 pass on each strip, the bag would constantly fill and have to be emptied. Otherwise, the thatch would accumulate. I found the collection bag insignificant. I prefer not to use it. I just mowed and picked up the debris after dethatching. This way is more productive and less hassle. There is also an issue with cord management. It constantly gets in my way, which makes it annoying to deal with. However, this may deem to be a user error rather than that of Sun Joe. Thus, it is recommended to start closer to the cord outlet and work your way outwards to avoid the electrical cord around you. Further, the handle is quite short. Thus, it might not be ideal for tall individuals, otherwise, they will find themselves bending and having their backs a little sore afterward. Is it worth the money? With the functions and benefits it offers, this machine is a great deal. In addition, it is a good investment for homeowners who needs lawn maintenance. I will save money and effort rather than paying landscapers for supplemental treatment or renting the gas-powered unit. It also comes with a 2-year warranty. So I will have peace of mind and not get worried when things go awry while using it. A factor to consider in buying a product is that I won't pay to get it fixed if something goes wrong.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.